Open CupCut APK. Click on New Project. Select Video and click on Add. Video Normal Play. Remove ending CupCut watermark. Click on Effects and select Blur Effect. Apply effect on all video. Click on Overlay and select Same Video. Click on Overlay Video and click on Remove Background. Increase the overlay to be slightly larger than the standard video to make the blur effect look better. Now, your video is ready. Click on Export.